So cute.
Hella cute.
It's so hot.
Okay.
Oh,
it's smokers, yeah.
Go dirt.
Or duh.
Okay,
Make a wish. Wow.
You totally didn't know this was coming.
Okay, Audrey, explain your challenge.
Wait, explain why you got to do this. Okay.
I am daring my team because I got their place in the November
Calendar.
fundraiser.
So wait, do they have to eat the whole chili in
Yeah.
one bite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Are you really sorry? No bite. We just like it. Okay.
There, yeah.
Go in the middle. Go. Girls, Duh's gonna go in the middle because it's funny.
Get your water ready.
Okay, ready? Okay, we'll count from 5. We're gonna go. Ready? Yeah, the smaller one, you have to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, the smaller one, you can take the whole thing.
Yeah, you have to eat the whole
Joe,
thing.
you have to eat the whole
No,
thing.
Joe and Kathy. And Nat.
Joe, Kathy, and Nat have to take the whole thing. The whole thing.
3, 2, 1, eat! Go. Nabe, eat more than that.
No, but eat more. That's not half.
Okay.
That's half. Swallow it.
Swallow, chew it. Swallow, chew. Guys, look at Nat. She ate the whole thing already. Get with the program.
Damn, Nat.
Look at Nat, go. And Duh swallow.
Why are you spitting it out,
Huh?
Makeup for the pepper.
That's Audrey's fault, not my fault.
Audrey said you reminded her about the pepper.
I mean, she did go in third place, so. Okay, Duh, you get to pick first. You close your eyes, though.
Girl. I saw it in third.
Wait, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Just close your eyes and pick.
I saw it in second.
Okay.
Oh, are they gonna open it right now?
Not right now. You got to open it together. Go.
Wait. Oh, wait. Are they all on the...
What is it? What is this one?
Are they all the ones that you can... Oh, it's the
It's a Sunny Angel dupe. We got the Sunny Angel dupe here.
Wait, don't open it.
Oh, I was like, she's alright.
Why she looked like her?
Joe, why?
Yeah. Nah, I'm good. Nah, it's just right here because I held it right there.
No, mine too. And my cheek.
Jeffree Star who?
Alien who?
I don't know if they're real or not, to be honest. So.
No, they're dupes.
So it's real if there's no like misspellings on here. If there's no misspellings, then it's real.
They're just dupes, guys.
If there's no misspellings, then it's real.
Okay, open.
I don't like them either.
I get that.
Oh wait, I thought when nah, I'm good. No. I don't like
Okay, open. What y'all get? What is the...
I got the blue one.
Oh, you got the zipper.
Oh, this is secret. Oh, there's a secret.
Yeah. What'd you guys get?
Their little booty cheeks.
I'm gonna switch or what?
Trade with me. No, I asked you first. Wait, why do you guys think the duck?
That one's ugly.
You know, I'm gonna go return it. I was kidding.
That's for today. 2 days before comp. They got a little treat.
Sick, I think.
She was always getting sick. She was sick last, 3 years ago? No, 2 years ago for comp. Or was it 3 years ago? It was 3 years ago.
What did you get?
You're just so cute.
Like, you want to trade with me? Girls, I really think all of them are cute. You just gotta believe. It is.
We are here at the New Year. All the girls are getting churros.
Hi.
And we're just gonna go walk in the parade in a bit. Why is my churro burnt? Ooh, but yeah, we're on here. It's cold. My dogs are cold. We are at, we're walking the parade. This is the girls. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. But yeah, we're walking right now. So the girls are taking a big HCAP photo. They're over there. Hey guys, this is the day before comp, round 1. Ashley's here now. Sue's sick, like always. But all the girls are practicing outside. It's okay, tomorrow we get to be indoors, so yeah. Y'all say hi to the vlog. I like how Sadie only paid attention.
Like, I'm always the only one paying attention.
Yup.
Morning, guys.
Morning?
Good morning.
It's not morning yet.
Hey, we're gonna celebrate Dina's birthday. You totally did not expect this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dana. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
What if that tote bag catches on fire?
It won't.
Good morning, guys. It is 5 a.m. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I woke up late. We're supposed to be at Nevaeh's house at 4. None of the other girls woke me up. Coach Ashley had to wake me up. So, yeah, but my car is warming up because it's so cold and it's super foggy today. So, yeah, I'll see you guys at Nevaeh's. So, we are here at the New Year. We've been here for a while, but yeah, Sue's dying. She threw up this morning, like always. But Sue's made the performance outfit, wearing a matching outfit, and my dogs are out. Ashley's wearing her cute bowling matching outfit with her boyfriend. And the girls are taking pictures because now they're famous. Hella famousness.
That's what they wanted.
Hella famousness. Okay.
Thank you.
Can't be having fun.
Let's all together. I'm so happy that we got our relationship.
You might as well. You have the song. Oh, Ashley, did you disconnect? Okay, there we go.
Girls, can you guys just walk in again, please? Just take out that recording.
Look at her washing dishes.
We're gonna put on our toes. What? You're lying. Are you serious? No. We're putting it on our toes? Delicious. Hi to vlog. Hi. Giggity, giggity. I got 3 roses for my boy today.
Wow.
Who's your boyfriend? Who's your boyfriend? He came up to me yesterday when I left you guys.
Dad, your phone.
Bro, I'm fangirling so hard. Guys, I'm so sorry. Guys, that was the best concert ever. Like, oh my god, we do that right now. Oh my god. That was the best thing ever.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, I think we're good.
Oh god. So deep. Say what we're doing.
Hi, this is Kathy from Ntxhais, and today we're going to give goodie bags to the other competitors in the Fresno Hmong New Year competition. That's 2024-2025.
Oh wait, Ashley's not here. Oh well.
Okay, so we just finished competition. We found out announcements.
My eyelash is coming off.
No same. But girls, we just want to let you know that you guys finished strong this season, and we're so proud of you. And we hope to see you next year. What do you guys think?
I think that we were a really good team for our first year team. I think that you just need to keep believing in yourself, keep dancing, and we're gonna improve from here on now, and next year will be our year.
Okay.
We're gonna manifest it.
Okay, bye.